Alright, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo. But first, I just heard that the Mexican government has declared the Corona Brewing Company a non-essential business. And they have shut this place down, so there will be no more Coronas. So this could be a collector's item, this empty can, in a little while. And I mean tomorrow by that. Okay, let's take a look at this Zippo. It's the normal black box, and it says "We the People" above the barcode. It's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. So it's on a red matte finished case. And you can see right there it says "We the People." And it looks like it was made in B, February of 2019. Really good stampings on this. It's got a steel insert. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on "We the People." A lit drop test. Just what I'd expect. Passes the test nicely. That is "We the People." And could definitely use a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.